Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm coming with a very fast video about Final Cut Pro. Actually no, I know that I did not mention that I've completely left Adobe in favor of Final Cut Pro, but I have. So I've had a very massive learning curve coming from Adobe. And anyway, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse clips. So yeah, let's get into that. Actually, this video is already reversed. I already exported it. So this is what the video looks like currently. But now, in order to reverse it, you'll come over to the little window and click on this little, I don't exactly know what it looks like. It kind of looks like a speedometer in my opinion. Anyway, it's called retiming options. So click on that. And then you just go to reverse clip. It's super simple, extremely simple. So now, when we play the clip, instead of my finger opening the Mac, you now see that it closes. Very simple. Alright, so I hope that helped y'all. I know that a lot of the things are actually very simple in Final Cut Pro. I just have to find them. But yeah. Very fast video. If it helped you, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell icon. And yeah, have an outstanding evening.